Hello, good morning students. How are you today? I hope you are doing well. This is Teacher Noen and welcome to our English class. Our lesson for today is about daily routine. So sit back and relax. Are you ready? Let's begin!
Daily routines. Wake up. Get up. Wake up. Get up. Again. Wake up. Get up. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Again. Brush your teeth. Take a shower. Take a shower. Again, take a shower. Get dressed. Get dressed. Again, get dressed. Have breakfast. Have breakfast. Again, have breakfast. Go to school. Go to school. Again, go to school. Study. Study. Again, study. Have lunch. Have lunch. Again, have lunch. Get home. Get home. Again, get home. Do your homework. Do your homework. Again, do your homework. Have dinner. Have dinner. Again, have dinner. Watch TV. Watch TV. Again, watch TV. Take a bath. Take a bath. Again, take a bath. Go to bed. Go to bed. Again, go to bed.
So, you know already about daily routine? Okay, so let's go to our activities.
Okay, so our activity is just fill the blanks to complete the sentence. Are you ready? Let's begin. What do you do at 6 o'clock? Okay, what's the answer? I wake up at 6 o'clock. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Again, I wake up at 6 o'clock. What do you do at 8 o'clock? What's the answer? I go to school at 8 o'clock. I go to school at 8 o'clock. Again, I go to school at 8 o'clock. Next, what do you do at 9 o'clock? What's the answer? I study at 9 o'clock. I study at 9 o'clock. Again, I study at 9 o'clock. Next, What do you do at 12 o'clock? What's the answer? I had lunch at 12 o'clock. I had lunch at 12 o'clock. Again, I had lunch at 12 o'clock. Next. What do you do in the afternoon? What's the answer? I do my homework in the afternoon. I do my homework in the afternoon. Again, I do my homework in the afternoon. Next. What do you do in the evening? What's the answer? I watch TV in the evening. I watch TV in the evening. Again, I watch TV in the evening. Good job!
Okay, well done. Once again, this is your teacher Noel, and see you again next time. Goodbye everyone.